I'm going to start with the diamond shape. And as always, we're going to be using just a pencil and a marker. So you can start out with your pencil like I'm going to do right here. So draw a big diamond on your paper. And this isn't just any fish, this is a tropical fish. Okay? So now that we have our diamond shape, we're going to go inside and draw a semicircle right there. And we're going to draw a circle right here. Okay? And inside that circle, we're going to draw a small circle and a line right here. Just like that. At the top of our diamond shape, we're going to actually be drawing the fish's fin. So we're going to come around right here and bring it down. It's kind of like it's actually like a shark fin, because tropical fish are different from like a goldfish or something that you see at the store. The first line you drew, you're going to actually make it curve. So make a curved line right on your paper and erase what you drew initially. Just like that. Connecting that line that you finished right here, draw another fin. Bring it right there. Draw another fin right here. This is the last step, by the way. And on the end of your fish, you're going to draw another fin. And that's it. Your very own fish. And as always, we're going to color a picture. So we're going to go over it with our black marker. I actually need to get a new black marker because this one's drying out on me. So let's start with our black marker. Let's go over all our lines. Tropical fish are tropical fish because they are very colorful. So I'm going to make my fish this color. Fish eyes are translucent, so we're just going to make them blue because everything around them is blue. And we're going to shade in our eye. And I'm going to draw some dots on my fish. And the ocean, if you want to do the background. And fish actually blow bubbles. So I'm going to draw a bubble. And you just start by making a circle. And those bubbles are blue. And there you have it, guys. Your very own tropical fish. I hope you have fun drawing this picture with me. And once again, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.